Kind of in a related vein, there's another question. Do institutional investors prefer investing in a corporation or an LLC?
I would say it depends. Famous lawyer answer. It depends on what your sort of like business plan and structure is. Overall, I think that the smaller group of investors that there are, the more willing to be in an LLC. But if you've got kind of this bigger structure where you're going to be getting all these different investors or maybe really large, investments, they might prefer a corporation. So it really just depends. And a lot of times you're going to do kind of a multi-leveled structure. So you could have, the LLC be the what we call the plant touching entity, the company that is actually participating in the cannabis business. And then you might have, a parent company or subsidiary that's a corporation. That's where all the investors, have their shares. And then, the LLC would be wholly owned by the corporation. So that's a structure that we've seen quite a bit. So it can be kind of like a mixed bag. There is no kind of one way to do it. Corporations, C corps can be more attractive to investors overall, but it really depends on who those investors are. Is it friends and family? Is it, you're doing a seed round, you're raising a lot of money and that kind of stuff. So we see a lot of really complicated corporate structures in cannabis. I know because there is some distance that is desirable from the plant touching entity by the investors. They want sort of like a buffer, or if you're going to own the real estate as well, you're going to want that probably in another company, not the plant touching company. So these plant touching companies often act like these kind of like silos to just own the license, and then the actual owners are on top of that.